Noise canceling headphones are amazing, but how do you find the best ones at an affordable price? Well, in this video, we're going to cover what I think are the best headphones of 2020 for under 200 bucks. Let's go. Hey, what's up? It's John from JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor photographers and adventurers. Today I've done all the research for you so you don't have to go spend hours upon hours looking at wireless headphones on the internet. I'll just give you my best recommendation based on experience. On this channel, sometimes I do outdoor gear reviews, tech recommendations like this one, and photography tutorials. So if you're new here, welcome, and hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any future videos. Now let's jump into it. These are the Skullcandy Venue wireless headphones. They are over-the-ear style headphones that include active noise canceling, also known as ANC. ANC filters out surrounding noise and delivers a great music listening experience. Skullcandy also gives you a button with the option to turn it off when you don't want to hear your surroundings. It's pretty cool. Venue uses custom-tuned 40mm drivers. The driver is the most important unit in the headphones. Essentially what it is it creates the sound you hear by converting electrical signals into sound. Skullcandy's tune those Venue drivers for attacking bass, natural vocals, and precision highs. They really do rock. These headphones feel good in the hand too. They're lightweight but with solid construction. Comfortable on the head and over the ears, the Venue headphones are fully adjustable and have easy to use pivoting ear cushions as well. There are controls for answering calls too. You can navigate tracks and do volume adjustment with those same controls. There are also clear prompts so you know exactly what's going on with your headphones. Like when you power on the headphones, you get a message that says power on. Or when you're connected with Bluetooth, you get a connected message. The same is true for power off and pairing. Those are just a few examples of those audio prompts. One of my favorite features is actually the battery life. These last 24 hours on a single charge, and you can do a fast charge in about 10 minutes, which will give you 5 hours of playtime. That's pretty incredible. And if you happen to run your battery down, Skullcandy includes an aux cable for free inside of your case. Venue has killer Bluetooth connectivity with a range of up to 100 feet away from the source device. That's pretty awesome. And you know what? They really are the perfect Christmas gift for the photographer on your list, or maybe even for yourself. I hope this video has helped you on your quest to find the best wireless headphones for under 200 bucks. I'll leave a link to the Skullcandy Venue down in the description below. You can check that out, along with my holiday gear guide for photographers and outdoor adventurers. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.